Welcome to BizControl. Today, we will guide you through the seamless process of listing and booking your industrial plot projects on the app. To begin, open the app and select My Project from your dashboard. Tap on Add Project and select Industrial Plot as your category. Next, upload clear, high-quality images of your industrial site and fill in the project name, location coordinates, state and city.
Always enter the coordinates of the actual project site. Do not use the office or sales office coordinates, ensuring dealers and clients can reach the correct location.
To assist your channel partners, input the relevant helpline numbers.
Provide at least 2 helpline numbers for every project so dealers can instantly confirm prices and inventory.
Now, let's set the pricing. First, let's look at the budget range. This section defines the entry-level starting price of your project up to its maximum valuation.
Enter the total value of the property here. For example, 45 lakh rupees, 1 crore rupees. Do not enter the rate per square foot/yard.
Select Industrial Plot from the property type and upload the necessary project documents or brochures. Now, let's move to the unit details where we configure your pricing structure. In the last login price field, enter the final premium pricing tier offered to your standard channel partners. In the last discounted price field, specify the exclusive lower rate reserved solely for the BizControl network. Please ensure this discounted price is set lower than your last login price, representing your most competitive network rate.
Last login price and discounted price should always be entered on a per rate basis. For example, per square foot, per square yard, or per square meter, not as a total amount.
After that, enter the unit's exact structural dimensions, facing direction, and physical parameters.
Other charges and PLC, preferential location charges. Keep these as minimal as possible or zero to ensure the project sells quickly across the network.
Define your tailored payment terms by assigning flexible installment milestones across your preferred monthly timelines, then tap Save. Once your data is successfully saved, your industrial plot becomes instantly visible on the live portal for bookings. Dealers can now view available slots and seamlessly lock in their direct bookings in real time.
After adding a unit, you can edit its price, inventory, area, or status at any time. Mark sold units as red. To showcase project demand, you may also mark a few units as fake sold, fake red if necessary.
Streamline your commercial real estate operations with precision. Download the BizControl app today, available on the App Store and Google Play Store.